Fiesta de los Toros. Dito matutunghayan ang
Iba yung saya kapag nakikita mo yung saya din ng mga taong kasama mo.
nanasayawan. May lang toro inaambangan.
Happy Fiesta de los Toros, Bayan ng Nasugbu!
What or who were the pop culture's events, trends, and icons you have chosen? I chose a lifestyle, and the lifestyle I chose is Fiesta here in Nasugbu called Fiesta de los Toros. What made them popular? Fiesta de los Toros is popular here in Nasugbu every year on December 3 because there is always an artist performing in the plaza, and there is so much fun stuff like color fun runs, street dancing, sakay sa toro, live bands, and etc. A lot of Nasugbueños love Fiesta de los Toros because it is a tradition in our hometown. How did your choices affect you? Do they affect you positively or not? It has a positive effect on me because every time I hear the Fiesta de los Toros music, it gives me goosebumps, and also makes Nasugbueños a positive energy when December 3 comes. All of the smile on their faces makes my heart happy, and I'm proud to be Nasugbueño.
Lahat ay magsayawan, sabay-sabay nating isigap. Fiesta de los Toros, Fiesta de los Toros. Kaya't halina't makisaya sa kapista.